We're going to take this Kodak 400 TMax out of this box, load it into a couple of cameras, and then I'll show you some sample photos taken with this so you know what to expect from this film stock. We're going to open up the box by opening this tab, and we're going to tear the tab off. We tear the tab off so that if your camera has a film memo holder like this, you can slide the tab into the memo holder and you'll know what type of film you're using while you take photos. Inside the box we have a plastic tub and this roll of 400 TMax 35mm. To load a camera with an automatic film advance, all we have to do is open up the back, take the roll of 35mm film, slide it into the cassette chamber, pull out a leader and line it up with that orange index over there, close the back, and the film will either start to advance or will advance when you push the shutter button the first time. Some cameras like this have a silver set of pins inside of them that read the DX code. This camera does not have those. Here's the DX code on your roll of 400 TMax. If your camera has those pins, it will automatically set the film speed. If, like this camera, yours does not, you will need to automatically set the film speed. This is a 400 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same. If you're using a camera that has a manual film advance like this one does, all we're going to have to do to load it is open up the back of the camera, drop the film into the cassette chamber, pull out a leader, feed it into the take-up spool over here, put your finger over the sprocket, let it take up a frame, close the back, advance to frame number 1, and remember to set your film speed to 400. And now, some sample photos taken with 400 TMax so you know what to expect from this film.